Take a close look at this integral. At first glance, it looks simple, but if you try the obvious method, you'll get stuck. So how do mathematicians solve it? The answer is surprisingly elegant. Let's begin. First, look at the two functions, x squared and e to the power of minus x. Now ask yourself, which one becomes simpler when differentiated? Let's check. Differentiating of x squared becomes 2x. Again, differentiating of 2x becomes 2, and 2 becomes 0. The polynomial keeps getting simpler. Now the exponential. Differentiating of e power minus x becomes minus e power minus x. Again, differentiating minus e power minus x becomes e power minus x. It never really changes. That's exactly the pattern we're looking for. So we'll differentiate the polynomial and integrate the exponential. Choose u equals x squared, so du equals 2x dx. Let dv equals e to the power minus x dx. Then v equals minus e to the power minus x. Now apply integration by parts. Integral u dv equals uv minus integral v du. Substituting the values gives integral of x squared e to the power of minus x dx equals minus x squared e to the power of minus x plus 2. Integral of x e to the power of minus x dx. Stop for a second. Did you notice what just happened? The square is gone. The integral is already simpler. Now, solve integral x e to the power of minus x dx. Use integration by parts again. Choose u equals x and dv equals e to the power minus x dx. Then du equals dx and v equals minus e to the power minus x. Substitute into the formula. Integral of x e to the power minus x dx equals minus x e to the power minus x minus e to the power minus x. Factor the common term. Equals minus, open parenthesis, x plus 1, close parenthesis, e to the power of minus x. Done. Now substitute this result back. Minus x squared e to the power of minus x plus 2, open bracket, minus open parenthesis, x plus 1, close parenthesis, e to the power of minus x, close bracket, expand, equals minus x squared e to the power of minus x minus 2x e to the power of minus x minus 2 e to the power of minus x. Now factor out minus e to the power of minus x, and we finally obtain integral of x squared e to the power of minus x dx equals minus e to the power of minus x, open parenthesis, x squared plus 2x plus 2, close parenthesis, plus c. Beautiful. At first, this integral looked difficult, but once we recognized the pattern, the solution became straightforward. That's the beauty of calculus. Don't memorize methods, learn to recognize patterns, and every difficult integral becomes a little easier. I'll see you in the next video.